how to replace the battery in your Chevrolet key fob. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. All right, I've got my Chevy key fob right here, and this is for a 2015 Chevy Impala. It's just super simple. Just on the back here, just pry up, pop off the back of the case. We'll see our battery here. So pry the battery up and out, and then I'll grab one of my new batteries. Take the new battery, slide it in, just push it down. Take the case, snap it on, and now we can go test it out. There's the Impala, got the key in my hand. Let's see if it unlocks. It does. Does it lock? It does. And now let's see if it'll start. Foot on the brake. And there we go. This job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.